Hello everyone, my name is Jannie Lam. I am from Oakland, California, currently living in Las Vegas, Nevada. I have a bachelor's degree in theater arts from California State University, Long Beach. I work for MGM Resorts International, one of the largest American global hospitality and entertainment companies, doing sales and marketing in the events nightlife department. Here's some interesting things about me so you can get to know me better. I love volunteering with kids, I am an avid blood donor, and I'm an anti-bullying advocate. Like many of us, I love food and my palate is really adventurous, and I've been fortunate enough to cook for Gordon Ramsay on MasterChef, where I was top 43 in all of America. After MasterChef, I competed in the Miss Asian North America pageant, where I was crowned Miss Asian Las Vegas and Miss People's Choice. Since then, I produce and host my own cooking YouTube show called Vegas Vixen in the Kitchen, nickname given to me by the producers of Fox's MasterChef. On my show, I feature some traditional Cambodian dishes as well as some of my favorite comfort foods. And now I'm absolutely honored and thrilled to be Miss Global Cambodia and representing Cambodia in the upcoming Miss Global pageant. Thank you all for all your kind words and your support and encouragement. I look forward to making the Cambodian people proud.